Welcome back, guys. This video is going to be about insert mode in Helix, and you can enter insert mode by just typing I. So now I can just type stuff as normal here. As you can see there in the bottom left, INS, now that means I am in insert mode, and if I press escape here to get out of insert mode again, I will be back in normal mode. Now I can just move again with H, J, K, and L. So insert mode inserts text in front of your selection or in front of your cursor. You can also append text after your cursor or after your selection with A. So for example, if I select this word here, if I press I here, I will insert text in front of my selection again. But if I do A, I will append text after my selection, as you can see. And remember, escape always brings you back to normal mode. If you want to insert text at the beginning of the line, you can just press Shift I and you will jump to the beginning of the line and enter insert mode there. And you can do the same thing at the end of the line with Shift A. You can also add a new line and then enter insert mode by hitting O, so that immediately adds a new line and then lets me enter insert mode here and type something. And I can also do the same thing, but add a new line above my current line with Shift O or capital O, like this. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.